This LANEIGE serum, I think, is my favorite serum that I've ever used. I haven't been using it long, so it's a little too soon to say for certain, but it is absolutely delightful. First of all, let's have a look at this gorgeous bottle. Look at that. Looks like sparkles. How can I not love sparkles in a bottle? But this gorgeous pink, come on. The dispenser, it's got little polka dots on it. This is glass. When I'm paying high-end money for high-end products, this is what I want it to look like. Everybody needs to go to school and learn how to make bottles like this because this is amazing. That's number one. Bottle is amazing. It dispenses like an absolute dream. The texture is slightly watery, and when you put it on, ooh, it doesn't just melt into your skin. It moves in, gets cozy, and makes itself at home. This stuff is delightful. I haven't even mentioned the smell yet. The scent of what do you think this is gonna smell like? Well, I'm here to tell you you're wrong because it smells better than that. I can't even describe what it smells like, but it smells like babies after a bath with a really good body wash, and then they go outside and bunnies hop around them and there's butterflies and they're going and collecting pollen from flowers that smell really good and they fly near the baby. It smells like that. It smells so amazing. I don't even know what I can compare it to because I would wear this as perfume. That's how good it smells. And those things are important, but you want to know, how does your skin feel after using it? Your skin feels drenched in hydration. I've been using serums of all kinds for many years, every variety known to mankind, cheap, not cheap, inexpensive, not inexpensive, flashy, you get it. I use a lot of serums. Sometimes they leave my face hydrated. Sometimes I feel like, wow, I just spent $30 for absolutely nothing. Water hydrates my face better than this. And sometimes I spend $40 because it's kind of expensive, but nonetheless, worth every penny because my skin feels hydrated after I use it. And really, I can just hydrate with just this and nothing else. I don't even have to put on a moisturizer over it, but you know that I do. It's called Bouncy and Firm. Is my skin bouncy and firm yet? I don't think so, but I don't know because I haven't been using it long enough to know. But hopefully my skin will be bouncy like a rebounder on a Sunday afternoon. I doubt it will be because my skin's 50. But if you're looking for a serum, if you're looking for possibly the best serum in the world, this sounds like hyperbole, but I'm telling you, I haven't had a serum that I've loved this much in a really long time. And I've had serums that I've liked. I've had serums that I've loved, but I've never had a serum that I've loved this much. I think this serum is gonna sleep in the bed with me tonight. I think I'm gonna marry this serum. I think I'm making dinner tonight for this serum. This serum is going on a date with me. I like it. I will link this for you below because you need to go buy this. LANEIGE is a spectacular brand. It is higher end. It costs a little more. This is the one occasion, I've said it before, I'll probably say it again, but this for sure is worth the money and not all high-end brands are to me. This one is. I don't even want it. I'm breaking up with all my other serums. Well, not all of them because some of them are pretty good, but this is my number one for now anyway. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is what we do here. We talk about skincare and sometimes we find winners and sometimes we find duds. So if you're interested in skincare and just randomness, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, go buy this. Why color in the lines? We're too old for that.